Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. As I mentioned in previous videos, I am currently going through my CS Utilities Git repository, and right now I'm on Password Calculator. Now this program, I did a whole video on it like a few months ago or so, something like that. So if you want a little bit more information about it, feel free to check that out. But here I'm just going to go through it really quick. This is a password calculator, and the idea is that it's just a very simple check your password to see if it is strong enough. So I'm going to zoom in here a little bit. I'm going to type in a random password here. Um, Now you'll notice that in this program, what it'll do is it'll actually type out just stars in place of your password characters, which I thought was a kind of a cool feature. And it will save just the template of what your password is, not your actual password. So there's no password leakage or anything like that. Additionally, if I backspace and delete, it will delete the characters and the characters that it has saved. And if I retype a password, it will, of course, save the new character template, but it's not your actual password. And then if I hit enter, it gives me a little bit of information. Again, this is based on a template here. So it counts how many characters there are. It tells me how many special characters there are, which there are none in this case. I did type in 5 numbers. I put in 1 uppercase letter. That was the first one. And then, of course, 5 lowercase letters. And then hit enter to test. It gives you that template of what your password looks like. So there is my capital letter, there are my lower cases, and there are my numbers right there. And then, of course, it will do this kind of very generic test on your password. This is by no means something that you should test your actual passwords on. Like there are other password cracking or password testing programs that are out there much better than this one. This is just very generic, and it was just more of a practice for me to write numbers with commas like this. So you can take a look at my algorithm for how I did that as well. And then it kind of gives you a basic calculation. It'll take it 165 years to crack. That, again, is based off of a very simple rudimentary algorithm. It is not based off of anything real factual. So please keep that in mind. But the main focus here is, of course, the engine that supplies you with stars instead of your actual password, converts it into a template, and writes the numbers out with commas in between in the appropriate spots. So with that, hope you enjoyed, and I will see you in the next video.